Would you love to see some dollars in your wallet? Just by putting a little, clicking some buttons, would you? You know, we are often looking down on these little numbers like $5. Today, I will help you to build a good image of these little numbers. Or you can say the worth of the little amount of money. You will get to know once I will tell you about this unique website in this video. When you're getting paid up to $10 to $20, take a moment to imagine staking up those 10 or 20 payments. And then they could end up becoming substantial numbers up to $200 or $300 per day easily, which you can then immediately cash out via different payment options including PayPal, bank transfer, and many more. This website works without any kind of charge. Also, they're currently opening up to a wide range of different countries. I'm super pumped to share this opportunity with you. Would like to give you some telltales that can double or triple your number of wallets with the help of a few clicks on different buttons. Make sure you stay tuned and watch until the very end. But before we go on, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on money making, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now, the first thing that I want you to do right now is to go over the enrollapp.com. Once you come onto this website, you can see it here that it aims to make the web a better place. This is a 100% legit company that is quite popular in the industry right now. It provides you and me an opportunity to make money from home with no experience and no technical skills. When you come over to the homepage, the very first thing that you need to do is to create your account. Just input your email address and create your password, and click the Enroll Now button. Now, once you're done creating your account, just head onto the website and sign in. When you log into your account, there are couples of things that I want you to do. The first thing is that I want you to check your email inbox and activate your account by clicking on the verification link in your email inbox. Once you log into your account, you will see your dashboard. As you can see here, there is a mission progress bar right here. So right now my mission program is 1%. The little cow right here will go on from the left and start moving to the right as I start making progress and completing more projects and missions. The best thing is that I can receive extra cash prizes and bonus money. There are a couple of things that I want to show you in this video to help you make double or even triple money by using a little secret trick that I discovered myself after working on this website, so make sure you keep watching and do not miss any part of this video. Now, the first thing that you will notice on your dashboard is when you scroll down below. You can see here polls and a number on how many poll questions you have answered. Now, polls questions like these, for example, are questions that you only have to choose one answer from the given choices. In this case, you have to answer yes or no. For example, if I click on yes, you can see how did you stack up and the statistics of the poll, how many percent of the people clicked on yes or no. All you have to do with this question next is you just have to click on continue. After continuing, you will be brought another question, and you can also see on the upper left corner of the question is a number or how many polls you have to answer so far. You need to answer these poll questions for you to make money online. The more polls that you answer, the more points that you can collect. You can go from here to here and earn bonus money. Also, the more poll questions that you answer, it makes this website easy to give you the most suitable projects that fit your demographics and your interests, which means you receive more missions and end up making more money. You can see here on the upper right corner of the screen are the points that you have. Now, I only have a few points to my account right now. Since the account is a new one, I created for demo purposes. If you follow everything I have said earlier, you can create your account and make way more points than me and can earn more and more money just by answering polls. You can repeat the same method again and again just by clicking yes or no and then continue. So real quick. Let me show you here all the poll questions that you have answered. If you go up to the right upper corner of the screen and select this drop-down menu on your profile, click on the Poll Questions tab, and once you have opened it, you can see all the questions and all the answers to the questions. The more questions that you answer, the more polls that you do, and the more money you are going to make. Before I forget, yes, you can do this on your mobile phone or on your computer. It works worldwide. You could get started with this opportunity as well as moving on to the next step. When you click on the Achievement tab right here on the upper left side of your dashboard, you can see here your progress. Here you can see your badges and your total number of points. You can also see your current mission. As you can see here, this is my first mission. Welcome to mission number 1 Earth. So right now what I want you to do is follow the instructions, take the test and answer the poll question. Be active, meaning that you have a log into your account every single day. So you can earn bonus points and money for 30 days in a row. Just 5 minutes a day, you can just quickly go ahead and complete the poll questions right here. Then eventually you can finish a mission. You can see this little green dot right here. This is my mission taskbar. So if I keep repeating the same thing, if I keep doing more polls, I can go on from left to right and complete my mission. Under this bar are all the badges that you can earn. The more badges that, you get the more points and the more bonus money that you can make on this website. Here is one more super important thing that you have to configure. If you want to make triple more money, so pay very close attention. Click again on the drop-down menu on the upper right side of your screen, and you will come up on this page where you can see here test preferences. Let's make sure that all your profile settings are up to date. All your poll answers to the questions will be kept private and confidential. So don't worry about that. So right here on the devices that you can test on, I want you to select all these 3 different devices. I want you to click on mobile, tablet and also desktop. The reason why I want you to select all of these different devices is the more devices that you choose, the more tasks you can do. The more posts that you can answer, meaning the more money you can make. And for the test availability, when is the best time for you to receive the tests? I want you to select Send Me Test as soon as possible. Because when you select these settings, they're going to send you more tags inside your account. Also select this Send Me when I qualify for the test right here. You can even put in your phone number as well, so that way they can send you an SMS notification whenever they have a new test for you. I highly recommend that you follow all of the settings right here for you to earn the most amount of money on this website. Now in summary, all you need to do on this website is to answer these yes or no poll questions and complete your missions. Remember to always check in on your points, badges, and keep track of your progress bar. Remember that the more questions you answer, the more likely you will be able to complete your missions and finish your progress bar. Also remember to complete your missions, as the more missions you complete, the more bonuses you can receive and more cash rewards. Remember to follow these steps every day and watch as you earn hundreds of dollars every day or every month just from answering service, all from the comforts of your phone, and that's it.